Hello friends, welcome back to the bunny video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to go to guys Tecno phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to set up lock screen password on Tecno mobile. Friends, you want to set up lock screen password on your Tecno mobile. So friends, how to set up one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video, open your phone setting friends. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Tecno mobile. Friends, click on Tecno mobile security setting. After on security setting friends, click here screen lock and here select your pattern, pin and password. Friends, I will use pin lock password next, and guys set your pin password. And friends, don't do any mistake, be careful. If you do mistake friends, you will have to reset your Tecno mobile. After enter guys your pin password, confirm, turn option, and friends come back. Friends, you can check this pin will show on lock screen. So you want to unlock your Tecno mobile, so when enter your password, then friends you can unlock your phone and you can use it. So like that friends, we can set lock screen password on Tecno mobile. And friends, you want to change your lock screen password. So how to change your lock screen password, open your phone setting again. Friends, click here security setting, screen lock setting, enter your password, and friends select your password type, pattern, pin and password. So friends, we will use pattern lock, and guys draw your pattern, and guys your pattern should be 4 dots. If you use 3 dots pattern you cannot set. So when 4 dots pattern we can set. And friends, remember your password. If you forget, you will have to erase all data on your device. Friends, you can see pin lock will remove from lock screen guys. We cannot use pin lock password on Tecno mobile. Friends, we can draw pattern and we can unlock our Tecno mobile. So like that friends, you can set your lock screen password, you can change your lock screen password. And friends, you don't want to use any password, you want to remove password. So friends, click on phone setting, search option, and when search here security setting, click here, and friends click on screen lock, draw your device pattern, enter your device pin and click here swipe option. And friends, you can see we cannot use this password on lock screen. Friends, password will remove from lock screen. We can swipe and friends we can unlock Tecno mobile without any password. So like that friends, we can set up lock screen password. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye friends.